Hi, I was sent this garage tool organizer by Nafahiri to try out, and I have to say, it has completely transformed my storage setup. I love how everything now has a home, making it so much easier to find and grab what I need. Plus, it's super sturdy and holds a surprising amount of weight. Each rail supports up to 297 pounds, and with the included bolt hooks, it can hold up to 594 pounds total, which is great for heavier equipment. Let's talk about the features. One of the things I really liked was how easy it was to install. It comes with pre-drilled holes and all the necessary hardware, so all you need is a drill and a level to get it up and running. The whole setup was quick and simple, and once it was up, I could immediately see the difference in my space. The hooks can slide along the 32-inch rails, allowing you to customize the setup for different size tools. This really helps keep everything neatly stored and easy to access. It's also made of powder-coated steel, which is designed to resist rust and last for years, even in garage or sheds where humidity might be an issue. The hooks have a rubber coating to help prevent tools from slipping and to protect them from scratches. If you've been looking for a way to keep your garage, shed, and workshop clutter-free, I highly recommend checking this one out. It's functional, sturdy, and a great way to get organized.